When a spread is initially bought or sold, it has an initial risk, reward, and probability of profit. As time passes towards expiration, that spread will increase or decrease in value. Since many spreads are closed before they expire, traders often look towards their updated risk, reward, and probability to determine when to take profits or cut losses. Let's use a put spread as an example. It's $10 wide and can be bought or sold initially at $4. If the put spread is sold at a credit, it risks 6 to make up to $4. Now let's have that stock travel below the spread, but with time left to expiry. Because there is time left, the spread won't be trading at a max loss yet. In this example, it's now worth $8. That's a loss of $4 mark to market from the initial $4 credit. But because this trade is now in the money and was sold at a credit, time is no longer on its side. If the stock were to stay below the spread until that expiry, that $4 loss would become $6. Therefore, a trader would need to determine whether it's time to cut losses, to save another $2 potential loss, or is that $2 worth risking for the chance of the stock to rally back above the spread? From a trade dynamic standpoint, it is as if this credit put spread is now an out-of-the-money debit call spread. It needs the stock to get back above the original trade's break-even to not be a loser. The updated expected move can be helpful here, as well as updated metrics like probability of profit, probability of max gain, and probability of max loss, which can be found on the position page on Options AI. Now let's take the same example, a credit put spread, but this time let's have the stock advance higher. In this case, the credit put spread is profitable. Having been sold at $4, it is now trading $2 for a $2 profit mark to market. Time is on this trade's side. We want the stock to continue higher or at least not go lower. But our risk reward is now risking the current profits plus the original risk to try to make that last $2. Again, the updated expected move can be helpful here. The probabilities of this trade are now excellent, but with a trade-off of greater risk for lesser reward overall. These updated metrics can help with decision-making throughout the trade's life and can be a gut check to compare these metrics to the metrics when we first entered the trade.
Trade on a new breed of brokerage. Trade smarter with Options AI.